So, you might have seen one of these videos in which someone solves a Rubik's Cube in just a matter of a few seconds. So, grab your old Rubik's Cube that's been lying around for who knows how many years and let's solve it. So, these are all the steps, and then after you complete them, you will be able to solve your Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm going to show you the different parts of the Rubik's Cube. These are the corners, and there are 8 on each Rubik's Cube. These are the edges, and there are 12 on each Rubik's Cube, and they go between the centers. And then there are the centers, there are 6 on each Rubik's Cube, and they don't move from their place. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is a white cross. This piece has to go here, and it's already next to the red, so I can just turn it. This piece goes here, so I'll put it next to the orange, like that. Now I have a line. I just have to put these two together. Here I have this piece, so I'm just going to turn it, and like that it's connected. And now to put it here, turn it 2 times again. Next, here, as you can see, this one has to go here, but when I put it on top, it doesn't match. So what I'm going to do is put it next, and then put it together, and put it like this. And then now this one is just put it back together. Next, what I'm going to do is finish the first layer like this. So to do that, here I can see there's a piece that is already in its place. Now let's take the cube and let's find a white corner piece. This one. So we are going to put it right below where we want to put it. Now, if it's in this position, it's quite easy. We do this 3 move, and then here, for example, this piece here, we'll put it underneath where it should go. Here, for example, the white is facing okay, but not the other two. So we're going to take this piece and we have to put it here. If we do the same algorithm, it's in its right place, but it's not in the right orientation. So don't twist it, just instead of that, take it out and then repeat the same moves. And like there you have it. Then now we have last piece here. So this one is not in the same orientation because if we do like this, it isn't in the right place. So what we are going to do is we're going to put it here, and now we insert it, and you've got your first layer done. Now for the second layer, you're going to take yellow on top, and you're going to find a piece that doesn't have yellow. So this is green and orange, it's perfect. So I'm going to put this on top of the green center, and I'm going to look at the cube this way. Now, these two pieces are matching, and you have to put this piece here. So you can do this and it would be matching, but then the white here isn't correct. So what you're going to do is this algorithm. And after that, the piece is inside, inserted, and you're just going to repeat that with the other pieces. Here, for example, I have red, and I have to put it here, and it's the same algorithm. Here there's a red and blue piece, so we're going to put red with red, and it's going to go here. So same algorithm. and it's inserted. And now the last one, this one, we'll put it on top. And as you can see here, it's on the other side, it's not here. So what we are going to do is same algorithm, just that mirrored. So that means it's going to be like this. If, for example, you have this piece in its right place, but it's flipped around, what you're going to do is one of the two algorithms, it doesn't matter which one, you're just going to insert whatever piece, it doesn't matter. And like that, you're going to have this piece outside, and then you can line it up with the same color center and do the correct algorithm. Next, we are going to do the yellow cross. So to do the yellow cross, you're just going to look at these 5 pieces here, okay? You can just forget about the corners. So what you're going to do is, if you can see this little L here, and then do this algorithm. Now as you can see, the yellow cross is done. You can also have just none of them in the correct position. In that case, you're just going to take whatever side you want, and then you're going to do the algorithm one time. Here, you're going to find that there's a yellow line, so you're going to take it facing this way, and you're going to do the algorithm another time. And then here you see it's the L, so you're just going to put it facing outwards and repeat the algorithm. So now you're going to put these pieces in the right center. So here and here, for example, it's right, but these ones and these ones do not match. You have to put this one here and this one here. The ones that are in the right position, you put them next to you, and these ones are the ones you're going to change. So you put them the other way. So these ones too are the ones you're going to change. So to do that, you're going to do this algorithm. And then, if you've done it right, you should have it all in the right place. If, for example, you have this one right, but these two wrong, then you're going to get the cube in this position and do the algorithm. And then you're going to put the cube in this position. Then you're going to turn the cube until it's in the same position as before. So you just have to change these two, and you're going to do the same algorithm. Now what you're going to do is, for example, here you can see this corner, it's not in the right place. So to do that, you're going to find a corner that is in the right place, like for example this one, and you're going to put it this side and do this algorithm. And here, as you can see, it isn't in the right place still, so you're just going to repeat the algorithm. And now you can see every piece is in the right place. You just have to flip them around. There's also a possibility in which none of the corners are in the right place. So for that, you're just going to take whatever corner you want, and you're just going to do the same algorithm. And here you see one is in its place, so you're going to take it, put it this side, and do the algorithm again. And now, as you can see, all of them are in the right place. So the next step is going to be to rotate the edges, to rotate the corners. So for that, there's a few combinations. Here, as you can see, there are three that need turning. So for that, you're going to take the Rubik's Cube this way, and you're just going to repeat this algorithm over and over again. Here, as you can see, it still hasn't turned, so you're just going to repeat it. Now it's in the right place. You're going to turn the top layer and repeat the same algorithm. Here it's in the right place. You're just going to turn it again and repeat the algorithm until it's in its place. And if you do it right, you have solved your Rubik's Cube. Well, I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you want to see more cubing videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel.